I'm going to share with you today a lovely little quilt that appears in the latest Lewis and Irene autumn catalogue. It is made in the catalogue in the Winter Garden range of fabrics, but they're not available to me yet. So Sally has very kindly shared the how to make the block with me so that I've made it up in the Scary Acres range of fabrics. And we're going to put strips of fabric either side. So if you cut yourself a range of pieces, some of them, as I said earlier, will go vertically and some horizontally when we've made the little units. You can, of course, just use one fabric, and then it's really easy. You just put them together because this is exactly the same size when they're sewn together. So you just sew them together. You've got no seams to match in each row. When the rows go together, just pay attention here in the usual way that your seams go together.